2001 Kawasaki STX 1100 Di. You're partying this machine out. If you need any parts off this machine, give Marto's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. The engine is good. The EMM went out. That's the reason for the teardown. You can tell it's a Minnesota clean freshwater boat. 2018 stickers on it. It's got 122 hours on the gauge. 3/4 tank of fuel, so the send-in unit's good. We're going to do an engine compression test to show you that the engine is good. The lot number on this machine is 3482A, so just call with that number. We're going to start the magneto side first. It's got 120 pounds of compression on the mag side. Center cylinder. $120 on the center cylinder. Last but not least, PTO side. 120 PSI on the PTO side. As you can tell, it's super clean on the inside. Every part on this machine is available for sale, including the jet pump, the hull, whatever you need. Thanks for stopping by.